we're shifting our attention to Karnataka. We've just entered the second week of 2025 and people of Karnataka have already seen two price rises in fares of the state transport buses and contract carriages. And in case people decide to take a break, there's now information also coming in that Karnataka government is also looking to increase the prices of beer. If it comes into effect, it will be the third such increase in just over a year. The first one, a 10% increase in 2023 state budget, led to prices going up by 10 to 15 rupees per 650 ml bottle. Then in February 2024, the state government again increased the beer prices by 10%, leading to another 15 rupee hike per bottle. The State Excise Minister, R.B. Timmapur, has confirmed that discussions are underway specifically for the beer prices, even though nothing has been finalized yet.
ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಲಿಕ್ಕರ್ ದರ ಈ ಸದ್ಯ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಏರಿಸತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಬಿಯರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಆಲೋಚನೆ ಇದೆ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳ ಜೊತೆ ಅದು ನಾವು ಮಾತುಕತೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಹಾಗೇನಾದರೂ ನಾವು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತನಾಡಿ ಬಿಯರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಏರಿಸಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾವನೆ ಒಂದು ರೌಂಡ್ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದಿನ್ನೂ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಹಂತದಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ನಾವು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ.
My colleague Deepak is joining us over the phone line with the details. Deepak, when the bus prices were increased in the beginning of the year, the Karnataka government said it is because of the losses that the Transport Corporation is facing. Now, what is the rationale being given by the Karnataka government now that the beer prices, alcohol prices are also set to go up in Karnataka?
Well, Bengaluru, as many would be aware, of course, is one of the largest consumers of beer and various types of premium beers as well. Here, the price increase, of course, is expected to hit especially the premium bracket beers the most. And we are going to look at this as a means by which the government will look to, earn extra income. And excise taxes are something that time and again in Karnataka have been on the rise. And right now, if you compare prices across the country, the taxes for liquor and beer in Karnataka are one of the highest. And now with this particular increase, it's going to, of course, have a major impact in the price. And we'll really have to see. While very recently, of course, there was a drop in the prices of premium liquor, but now the prices of beer going up is not going to be something that the beer lovers will enjoy.
Okay, all right, Deepak, thank you for joining us with those details. Now, beer consumption might be a lifestyle choice and some may argue that it's dispensable as well. But there are several essential services that have also seen hikes in quick succession under the Congress government in Karnataka that leaves a common man reeling under the impact of the gradually bigger hole in their pockets. Let's take a look at some of these prices that have seen an increase over the last 1 year. Now, the contract bus fare hike also coming into effect in January in 2025. So earlier this year, the bus fare has also gone up by 15%. The Karnataka government saying that the Karnataka government transport corporations had been facing losses and that was the rationale they gave for the increase in the bus prices. But it's not just that. Electricity prices have also gone up. In June 2023, it went up by 2.89 per unit. Apart from that, liquor has also seen an increase over the last 1.5 years. In July 2023, it saw a 20% hike on excise duty. Similarly, transport cess is something that the people of Karnataka have also been facing, a 3% transport cess that has been put on the commercial vehicles. Petrol and diesel prices have also gone up. On the 8th of June 2024, the prices saw an increase by 3 rupees per litre, and of course milk prices also went up. That also led to some of the protests, remember. So milk prices also went up by 2 rupees per litre in all the variants. And one of the biggest hikes that came into effect in Karnataka is the hike on the stamp duty, which saw a whopping 200 to 500% hike that was applicable for 25 types of documents. And the medical services also got costlier in the government hospitals. The fee has gone up since November 1st, 2024, a hike being seen in all the BMCRI-run hospitals across Karnataka.